These are all cellphone IC chips that I was accumulated on a couple months. And this time, I will proceed for gold recovery. Before I dissolve it into acid, I will first show you the real gold wire bonding on the IC chips. All the chips are added to steel plate right now. And fire to our butane gas. And this is our few samples, and we add this one into our pan and to see the gold wire bonding here. That is exactly I'm talking about. The gold wire bonding, very tiny particle here. You see, uh, that is our gold particle, gold wire bonding from IC chips. Some tiny gold wire bonding are not extracted from the PCB, from IC chips. Continue crushing. We don't have blender or any special tool, but if you want to do something, you always have a way. So let's use our empty map gas and cut and our heavy steel and smash it. Very easy. Crushing IC chips is done, and this is the result. Very tiny. Now IC chips added to our large beaker, including our sample in early in this video. Then add to our beaker, and next we add distilled water. We don't use tap water here. Distilled water, just enough to cover it up. Okay, preparing for dissolving base metal by heating first the water so that the nitric acid will react faster to our base metal here. Okay, dissolving base metal by adding 60%, 68% HNO3 here. But before we proceed, need to learn more the safety precaution of handling corrosive acids. We dissolve base metal at least 85%. Start dissolving. As you can see, there is fumes. So many base metal here like copper, stainless steel, aluminum, and silver. The nitric acid has react faster, strongly, big, if you heat the water first or boiling. After 20 minutes, the process has continued reaction. I see some gold wire banding at the bottom. Red fumes. And the reaction has stopped, and I think we dissolved 85% of base metal here, and the solution has cooled down and settled down the heavy metals and also carbon. So let's decant this water right now. So let's proceed to Aquarija by adding concentrated 35% hydrochloric acid, just enough to cover the material here. Stir a little bit. So let's heat first the material with hydrochloric acid so that the nitric acid will be react faster. Start heating. The hydrochloric has heat right now, and we add HNO3 here. 20 ml. Okay, that's enough Aquarija. I don't see any gold wire here, only glass from IC chips. So let's allow the solution to cool down and filter. So let's filter to our filter cotton to capture solids and a sticky. Done filtering and transfer to beaker and filter again. Capture any fiber, sticky or glass. Add another filter cotton to filter again our solution. Then second filtering, capture sticky and black. I think this is carbon. Transfer again. Last filtering with filter paper. Big filter paper. Baby. So let's begin. That is exactly what we are looking for. Very clean solution and no colloidal solids. Okay, now I'm done filtering. And now let's transfer this courageous solution into a next bucket. Okay, before we precipitate, this aquarius solution is low acidity because I add too much water here. That's why we add a small amount of hydrochloric to increase the acidity. Now gold precipitation. It's time to precipitate our gold. So let's take a look what happened here. If we got precipitation or not. Let's go. The solution turning into black brown. So let's check this one. If what's happening here. Nice precipitation, but not enough. We add more. Yeah, I saw small amount foaming here. Yeah, yeah, that's enough foaming. Yeah, that is the indication that we got precipitation. Yes. So we stop adding sodium metabisulfite and we add water to reduce the acidity. Our solution approximately almost 2 liter. So let's take a look tomorrow what happened. After 12 hours, this is the result of our precipitation. Dark solution in the top and surprise. We have trouble precipitation here. This is very long explanation, but we make it short. and this is second time I encounter this problem. So to make it short, the main causes of this problem is a base metal, second excess nitric acid. As you can see here, at the bottom there is a nice brown precipitation that is gold, maybe. And the second in the top of the brown precipitation is white. This is AuCI. I think I don't know what we call on that, but this is also gold. To solve this problem, we filter to capture the precipitation, and we redissolve the mass into hot aqua regia and precipitate again. So let's do it. I done filtering, and this is all I capture, the black powder. So let's proceed to the next steps. Adding hydrochloric acid 150 ml. Heating hydrochloric first before we apply nitric acid. Okay, the hydrochloric has heat, and we add nitric acid. Start at 3 ml. Let's take a look what happened here. Okay, after 10 minutes, I think I dissolve all black sediment here, and we dissolve also filter paper, as you can see. So let's allow to cool down the solution and filter. So let's test our aqua regia here if we got gold. Yellow green. Wow, turning into black. So we are confirmed that we have gold. Filtering to filter paper. Done filtering, and let's transfer our solution into a beaker. So let's add a small amount of urea here. I'm sure there is an excess nitric. So let's precipitate again by adding sodium metabisulfite. After 24 hours precipitation that I had, so in the top of the solution is green, and maybe that is copper, and middle, that is reddish brown, which is causes by too much adding SMB or urea, and also other base metal that still remain in our solution, but we got nice chocolate brown precipitation. Now the white precipitation has been solved, so let's decant this solution and wash with hot water. Adding hot water to remove excess chemical. After adding 2 times water, and the water is so clear, that is our gold mud. Now it's time for final boiling with water to our fire charcoal. Boiling of water just like that, at least 10 minutes. And always allow the gold to settle down at the bottom of your beaker. Okay, done boiling, and we proceed to hydrochloric washing. Add small amount distilled water here. Then add 35% hydrochloric acid. Take note, by washing hydrochloric acid na some gold particle here is not quicker to settle down. Then apply heating or boil this one. Okay, that's enough boiling, and repeat this process until you clean the gold. After hydrochloric treatment, and we boiled water again to remove hydrochloric acid and ready for melting. After hydrochloric treatment and boiling with water, that is our gold. Very nice gold. Drying our gold. Now our gold is completely dry, and let's add sodium carbonate to extract from the beaker, because sometimes it's thick in the beaker. Now our gold added to our brand new crucible. Now heating our gold slowly. Changing torch to our map gas. That's amazing. Yeah. Borax. Very nice. Wow. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So let's take a look in our skill. How much pure gold we got. Very nice. So let's take on our skill. How much gold we got. Turn on. 0, 0. Bam. 3.5. So thank you so much for watching and God bless you everyone. This is all I got from 1.3 kilogram of cell phone IC chips. 3.5. Nice.